We're currently heavily focusing on AI and data analytics because of the Gen AI and AI boom, and Kamet was the missing piece for us. Mitsubishi Electric is a manufacturer for electronic and electric components. For example, like HVACs or elevators, escalators, satellite systems, communication systems, train management systems, or automotive equipment.
We met Mitsubishi Electric over here at PNP because we were part of the cohort. We worked with them specifically to apply our AI models for Mitsubishi Electric robots.
So by collaborating with Kamet, we can provide one package solution to the factory. And also maybe we can have a more added value by using the data collected by us and Kamet. So I'm really excited.
Kamet as a company was started a year ago, and it started because we had identified after speaking to over 300 customers that while automation continues to grow, the issues and challenges with automation also continue to go, having a major impact on the cost. Kamet is proactively identifying challenges and issues that can cause a failure and minimize that as soon as possible by identifying them, assessing them, and then providing an AI-based recommendation.
POC that we worked together started last year. It was all about robotic data analytics. First, we try to provide them a basic data that our robots can produce and deliver. It's a 6-axis robot. Each joint can produce some current data and load data and other stuffs. And those data was first provided to Kamet because those optimum parameters are necessary for setting up the robots.
The main results were threefold. First was the setup time was 6 months, and using our AI model, now we have shortened it to less than even a month. The second outcome is because of what we have built, there's a continuous improvement in the efficiency of setting up these robots on a continuous basis. And the third piece of it is increasing the life cycle of the robot, adds a third lever and 600% ROI.
From the beginning to the current situation, Plug and Play always help us keep good relationship with Kamet.
Working with Mitsubishi Electric has really opened a lot of doors for us. I can say pretty point blank that we might not have had this relationship if not for Plug and Play. There was a lot of support, build up, do the presentation, and facilitate our meetings with Mitsubishi. The fact that we were part of Plug and Play was important for Mitsubishi.